How to make $700 per day using Pictory AI even as a complete beginner, without doing any of the work yourself because this software will do it for you. I will walk you through the entire process, starting from step number 1 all the way to how to actually turn this into a profitable work-from-home business. As always, everything that I mentioned in this tutorial will be linked in the description box down of this tutorial, so I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Pictory AI and start to make money online just like this in no time. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is Pictory AI? Pictory AI is a tool that can help you create highly engaging and shareable videos from your long-form content, such as blog posts, articles, or even podcasts. It uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze your content and extract the most important points and ideas. Then it automatically creates a video with animated text overlays, background music, and other visual elements that help to communicate your message in a concise and compelling way. The cool thing about Pictory AI is that it lets you leverage your existing content and repurpose it into a format that is more likely to be consumed and shared on social media. With the rise of platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, short-form video has become a popular and effective way to engage with audiences and grow your brand by creating short videos with Pictory AI. You can tap into this trend and increase your reach and engagement on social media. Plus, you can monetize these videos through ads, sponsorships, and other revenue streams. But I think that the best thing about Pictory AI is that it is incredibly easy to use, even if you have no experience with video editing. All you need to do is upload your content, and the tool takes care of the rest. You can customize the video by choosing from a variety of styles and music options, or you can let the AI choose the best option for you. And if you do have some video editing skills, you can also use Pictory AI to edit your videos from scratch and create something truly unique and original with its intuitive interface and powerful features. Pictory AI is a versatile tool that can help you create all kinds of video content from tutorials and explainer videos to product demos and social media ads. So now that you know all about this amazing AI tool, let's put it into action and make some money with it. Step 1. Sign up to Pictory AI. Okay, so the first step in this money-making method is to sign up to Pictory AI, and it's a super simple process that doesn't take much time at all. So don't worry. First, head over to the Pictory AI website. Once you're on the site, you'll see a sign-up button in the top right corner. Just click on it and you're on your way. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to pick a strong password that's easy for you to remember after you've entered your email, and Password Pictory will send you an email to confirm your email address. Just click on the link in the email and you're good to go. Now that you're confirmed, you'll be taken to the Pictory dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You can now start creating your short-form content, so you might be wondering how you can make money from those short-form videos that you create. Well, the good news is that it's totally possible. All you have to do is upload your videos to YouTube and monetize them with ads, affiliate links, and other strategies. First up, let's talk about ads. When you monetize your videos with ads, you earn a percentage of the revenue generated by those ads. It's a simple and effective way to make money from your content. Of course, the amount you earn per view can vary, but on average, creators earn about 1 cent to 3 cents per view. So if you have a video that gets 10,000 views, you could earn around $100 to $300 in ad revenue. To be eligible for monetization, you need to meet certain requirements such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start monetizing your videos. Another strategy that many creators use is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service in your video and include a special link in the description that viewers can use to make a purchase. If someone clicks on your link and buys the product, you earn a commission on the sale. I've personally used affiliate marketing in some of my videos, and it's been a great way to make some extra money. The key is to choose products or services that you believe in and that are relevant to your audience. If you promote something that doesn't align with your values or isn't a good fit for your viewers, it could backfire and hurt your credibility. Sponsorships and partnerships are another way to monetize your short-form videos. This is where a brand pays you to create content that promotes their product or service. I've had some experience with sponsorships, and they can be a great way to make money and build relationships with brands. Of course, it's important to be selective and only work with brands that align with your values and that you believe will be a good fit for your audience. Some YouTube channels that specialize in short-form content have become very successful and have made significant earnings from their content. For example, At Beaming Shorts and at Ask to Reddit are two channels that have achieved success by creating short-form content that is engaging and shareable. These channels have been able to monetize their content through a variety of methods, including ad revenue sponsorships and affiliate marketing. So it's definitely possible. Step 2. Generate a script to turn into short-form content. So as we mentioned earlier, Pictory AI is a great tool for creating short-form videos from your long-form content. This means that you can take a blog, post article, or even a script generated by a tool like ChatGPT and turn it into a video that you can share on YouTube Shorts. There are two ways to go about this. You can either generate a script with a tool like ChatGPT, or you can edit an existing script or piece of content to make it more suitable for a short-form video. First, let's talk about using ChatGPT to generate a script. ChatGPT is an AI-powered tool that can help you generate ideas, structure your content, and even write some of the dialogue for you. All you have to do is input a topic or keyword, and the tool will generate a script that you can use as the foundation for your video. Once you have your script, it's time to turn it into a video. With Pick3, I pick 3. AI offers several different video templates that you can use to create short branded videos. These templates are designed to be highly engaging and optimized for social media platforms like YouTube Shorts. To create your video, just choose a template that fits your content and customize it with your own text, images, and branding. Pictory AI also offers a library of stock footage and images that you can use to enhance your video and make it more visually engaging. Now let's talk about the other option, editing an existing script or piece of content. This is a great option if you already have content that you want to repurpose for YouTube Shorts, for example. If you have a blog post that's performing well, you can extract the key points or quotes and turn them into a script for your video. Once you have your script, you can use Pictory AI to create your video. Again, choose a template that fits your content and customize it with your own text, images, and branding. Pictory makes it easy to create visually engaging videos, even if you don't have any video editing experience. Now let's finally talk about how you can make money from your videos. As I said earlier, there are a few ways to monetize your content on YouTube Shorts, such as using ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. It's important to try different strategies and see what works best for you and your audience. Some ideas are to include affiliate links in your video description, promote your own products or services, or work with brands to create sponsored content. You want to make sure that your content is engaging and valuable to your audience. Once you've got that down, you can start finding creative ways to make money from it. And the best part is that you don't even have to do the real hard work because Pictory does it all for you. So that's how you can use this amazing AI bot to make money online. Once again, everything that we talked about in this tutorial will be linked in the description box below. And if you want to see more AI-related, make money online tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on.